Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Coding Interview, where I teach data structures and algorithm. My name is Moses and I'm a software engineer. In today's video, we're going to download and install Atom Text Editor. Atom Text Editor is one of the best text editor out there and it is totally free. So we're going to install it in less than 3 minutes.
So in order for us to download Atom, we need to open either Google Chrome or any web browser that you have and go to atom.io. When you go there, you can see the download and then you want to click on download. This one will download Atom. As soon as it has been downloaded, you have to click it or double click and then it will open and the installation will launch immediately. As soon as the download has finished, you want to double click and open Atom. The setup will start. So as soon as you double click on Atom, it will launch. So while you're waiting for it to launch, it will take time. So after Atom has been launched, you will see this menu. It will show you a welcome guide on how to open a project or version control with Git and GitHub. If this is your first time of installing Atom and using Atom, you can always open files and projects by going to the file and say new window or new file. When you click on new file, it will create a new file for you.
Congratulations on successfully installing Atom Text Editor on your Windows machine. So for the next video, we're going to run Python files on Atom Text Editor. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as I will be teaching you data structures and algorithm so that you can pass your coding interview. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Moses, and it will be good for me to get to know you as time goes on. Leave down your comments below, and let's get to know each other. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. See you next time.